The chef.
This is ZOMI traditional whiskey. This is ZOMI traditional.
I am Wumswan Naulak, Chairman of ZOMI Council. ZOMI Council is a conglomeration of 8 tribes in Manipur. We came from Lamka this morning to meet Honorable CM regarding the ongoing developments in Sisipur district and to build mutual confidence. We were having a very healthy and warm interaction, and after the discussions we partook a delicious lunch, and we are very grateful that the state government is reaching out so that we could work together for the development of our people and for future peace.
I'm Mary Jones, Secretary, Information and Publicity, ZOMI Council, Digilakpani. Hozikta Tahi Ahum. Adugi Loibanda, Nasi Imphal Lakpasi is very Seram Nungaide. We Manipur Valley Hills, the gay relation, they say. Adum Hazanachat Pasik Pali and Adum Kakat Justice, Haisra, Quina, Waba, Hinaba. Tahi Hum Manunda, Quina King the Basin say, reconcile Natrega, looking back to our say culture, Hyderabad, the King Bada, Hagadi, Hydase, Wapam, say, Kamdi.
I wish, and the ZOMI Council wishes that peace should return to Manipur state, and people should work together, people should interact, and people should look forward towards progress of the people, progress of the state. Thank you.